Today we are going to perform practical on IGBT, titled State the Functioning of IGBT under the course of Fundamentals of Power Electronics. Myself, Mr. A.S. More, Lecturer, Electrical Engineering Department, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Supporting staff for performing this practical, Mr. N.R. Iyer, sir. This is circuit diagram for VI characteristics of IGBT. We are conducting this experiment using the IGBT characteristics kit. This is the bottom side of the kit. Mountings of element and power supply arrangement. Procedure required for drawing characteristics. Firstly, we perform transfer characteristics of IGBT. Now firstly make all knobs of power supply at 0 position. Turn on main power supply and turn on kit supply. Now we are trying to make VCE at 10 volt. Firstly select knob of multimeter at DC current and DC voltage. Now connect the probe of multimeter, which is nothing but a voltmeter, across the VCE and trying to make the VCE voltage 10 volt by using knob, which is nothing but VCC knob. Increase VCE finally by using VCC knob. So we almost set 10 volt of VCE. Now we try to increase VG in step of 1 volt using VGG knob. So for 1 volt and 2 volt, still current is not increasing. Now showing little fluctuation, but this is nothing but a leakage current. For voltage 5 volt, we get a 0.45 milliampere IC current. Now the voltage at which current will rapidly increases, that voltage is nothing but threshold voltage. So as per reading, our threshold voltage is 5.21 volt. This is total transfer characteristic whenever VC is 10 volt fixed. Now we are going to perform output characteristics. Firstly switch on the power supply and kit supply. Then set VGE voltage or gate voltage at 4 volt below threshold value voltage. Select the multimeter knobs at milliampere for measuring IC and multimeter for measuring voltage across VGE and VCE. Place the knob across the VGE and increase the VGE voltage and fix it up to 4 volt. This is below threshold voltage. Previously we saw the threshold voltage is 5.21. So we want to check what is characteristics below the threshold voltage and above the threshold voltage of IGBT. So it is below the threshold voltage. So connect knob across VCE terminals of IGBT. Now increasing VCE. So we are getting some leakage current. .04 milliampere. This is very less or less current. It's nothing but leakage current. So this is indicated our gate voltage is not sufficient to turn on the device. we change knob setting to micro ampere of multimeter or ammeter, and we see increasing slightly, but they are showing micro 32 or 35 constant micro ampere current. So our device is not, this is a gate voltage which is not sufficient to turn on the device 4 volt. So now we are taking another voltage below threshold value of 5.2 volt. We set VGE at 5 volt, increasing VGG, turn on the power supply again, and increasing VGG up to 5 volt, fix 5 volt. So our VGE is now 5 volt fixed. Okay, now it is almost 5 volt. So now we are connecting probe across VCE terminal and checking VCE voltage by increasing the VCC voltage using the knob. Change the knob setting, previous knob setting to milliamps of multimeter or ammeter, which is connected in series to measure current. So now we are seeing 0.5 volt, the current is 0.33 milliampere, 1.5 volt 0.38, 2 volt 0.38 milliampere. So this is also says that the insufficient voltage to turn on the device. The gate voltage is insufficient. 5 volt supply of gate voltage is insufficient because it is below threshold value. We are increasing VCE, but our IC or collector current is shows same value 0.37, means it is gate voltage is not sufficient to turn on our IGBT. So we now taking the voltage which is above the threshold value, which is nothing but 5.2 volt voltage of VGE. We taking 6 volt which is above threshold value. So it is almost 6 volt. Now we are connecting probes of multimeter across VCE terminal of IGBT for measuring VCE voltage and increasing VCC voltage and measuring changes across VCE and IC multimeter on multimeter. So at 5 volt, so at 0.5 volt getting 1.36 milliamps current for take the eye on a ammeter. So at the 1 volt getting 14.5 milliampere current. So now we are seeing that our IGBT device is triggered. Now we are getting some constant current. So this is reading for IGBT. Output characteristics we see across IC. This is plot of output characteristics of IGBT, current is get constant. So observing these characteristics, we conclude that above 5.2 volt, which is nothing but threshold voltage, that is the minimum voltage to turn on IGBT. So here we completed the experiment of IGBT characteristics. I hope you cleared all concepts regarding experiment. Thank you very much.